Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to make tarpaulin layout in Canva. And in this video I am going to break down step by step guidelines. So I hope you will watch till the end and you will get lots of knowledge about Canva. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be visit on canva.com. so I already had an account, that's why I am on this dashboard panel. Once you visit here, let me give you an example. Canva.com, Canva, let's search about Canva. So you will get this kind of a interface where you need to be create an account. So a perfect fit for everyone. So here you can see fit for person. This is Canva free for designing or working on anything. So you can choose this one easily. Once you choose this one, they will take down to this pop-up, and here you need to be create an account, and you need to be create an account by using Gmail, Facebook, or you can choose our manual mail account. This way you can easily create an account. Once you complete your account, you will redirect to dashboard panel. Here you will see something like this kind of interface where you can easily create or edit your design. So now I am going to create an tarpaulin layout. So for that reason, our next step will be set custom dimension for tarpaulin. It means I need to be make a layout size. So I need to be click on customize size, and here I need to be paste width and height. First of all, I want to say you I am going to work on tarpaulin canvas. So that for reason, tarpaulin has a unique size, so we need to be searching. If we don't know, then we can google it, that tarpaulin canvas size, and they will give us some design size. Here you can see 72 inches to 36 inches, then we have 48 inches to 24. So we can choose over here, and we can see furthermore that what is 3 into 4 tarpaulin in Canva inches, 36 into 48 inches. So you can choose it whatever you want. So I am going to choose like 36 into 24 inches. So here I will search. First of all, I will change the units into inches, then I will search here 36, which will be height will be 24. Then I will create new design. Once I click over here, they will give us the layout here, and now we can work on that place. So we can create our tarpaulin. So now our next step will be choose a background. So this is a white background, so let's choose a background that will be this one, because I am going to make a tarpaulin on cosmetics product. So that for reason I am click on solid color. You can choose a gradient color also. Here you can choose one. It's totally up to you what kind plan did you make, like what is like when you making a design, you already make some plan on your mind, so you can evaluate those plan on your design. So I already make a plan that I want to make a cosmetics image. That for reason I already select this gradient color. So now I need to be go on elements. Once I click over here, we have option to search elements. So I am finding some photos or texture, or I can say that element that will be cosmetics. So I'm going to search here cosmetics and then hit the enter button. Once I click over here, you can see we already get some of them. I will click with this one, next this one, this one, this one, this one, also this one, and now I am ready to start the design. So you can also upload your own background or images if you want, so it's totally up to you. So let's start the design. Our for design, once we complete our design, then we can go further. So let's complete the design first, then go further. This will be here, and let's click over here. This may something like this. I will set up it at this place, and I will decrease the size, and then it will be here. It's look nice. Then it will be perfect if I place it here. What do you think? Comment below in the comment box in your interest. Then I will make sure that this will be on over that place, and we have this one. This may be perfect for that place or that place. Let's think. Let's flip it and set it here, and let's set it over that place. It look nice. And then we can choose this one as here, increase the size and place over that place, and now increase this one size. I hope this look really nice now. And what do you think about the design? I'm not expert yet, so I did my design how much I have the knowledge about design, so I did. If you have any question related to design, you can ask me on the comment box. So next we are going to add some text over here, that will be cosmetics. Once we write down, we can edit on it. Like I am going to find out some font that will be matched with this one. So let's find out furthermore font. It looks nice. I will make it bigger and decrease the size, and now I am going to change the color. I will make sure the color is matched with my design. So this may good, and this may good. Then you can add heading, or you can type your event name like happy 7th birthday Ellie or something else, like opening will be the store opening will be 7th May or anything. You can customize in this element option. Like you can see each element and text over here, background. You can customize every and each part, like customize font style, size, color, spacing, add shadow or outline for better visibility. It's totally up to you. Second option will be like the next step will be insert photo or graphic. So if you want to upload any photo, you can go over here in the upload button, just click over here, upload. Once you click over here, it will allow you to upload images. So you can upload your images over here. Then you can use Canvas to add balloon and logos over that design. Let's search for balloons. Search here, and you can see we already had some balloons over that place. So I am going to place it here, and I can change the position also there. Even that is the perfect thing. So just now you can see that our balloon is waving. So you have all control over that place, so you can change yourself, you can make your design more solid for your customer. Second step will be arrange and align everything. So once you complete your design, you can lock everything, or you can, now you are not allowed to edit every part, so it already locked and no one will be make any difficulties for you. So you can do whatever you want. So now once you complete your design, now the turn has been come, that is to download the file. Just click over here on the share button, and you have the option for download. You can click on download. Once you click over here, it will take a while to reloading, and then it will download on your computer. So you can see our downloading progress has been done, and now it has been downloaded. If you view it, you can see the design over that place on the download box. Let's check it out and see. This is our image, and now see the design has looked really nice. It's really gorgeous. So let's give you some tips over that place. That will be, if you are designing on any tarpaulin, then you need to be remembered that ask the print shop or preferred size and file format. Then use high resolution images like 300 dpi. Then third one will be at 0.25 inches bleed if required, and the last one will keep text away from edge or to avoid trimming. So I hope you find out this video is really helpful for you. If you found out this is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next